Nothing is impossible with God. Find a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to grow tall and gently close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Take a slow, deep inhale and a gentle exhale. Long, deep inhale again and a gentle exhale. Silently say to yourself, nothing is impossible with you. I trust your power. Gently move onto hands and knees, coming into cat-cow. Inhaling up, exhaling, tucking the chin to the chest. And as you inhale the next time, bringing your gaze up, lift your heart, open yourself to receive. And as you exhale, round your spine, softly releasing tension. With you, all things are possible. Feel your body awakening, your heart softening. Breathe deeply, steady, and calmly, relaxing into your cat-cow. Gently sit back into child's pose. Rest your forehead down. Allow your body to soften. Take a deep inhale and a long, slow exhale. I surrender all into your hands. Continue this long, deep breathing. Begin to push up. Coming through tabletop, bring the right foot in between both hands into this lunge. Inhale the hands into prayer pose in front of the heart. Lift your gaze high up to the heavens. And repeat to yourself, you are above all things. Continue the long, deep breathing. Release the hands on either side of the right foot and sit back into a half split. Gently shifting your hips back, straightening your front leg, folding forward into this deep stretch. And as you breathe deeply, say to yourself, I let go and trust you. Begin to gently release, coming through lunge, transitioning through tabletop, and stepping the left foot in between the hands, coming into the lunge on the left side. Bring the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Long, deep breathing. Silently repeat to yourself, you are above all things. Trust the process. Trust His timing. Trust His power within you. Release the pose, bringing both hands on either side of the left foot, folding into the half split on the left side. And silently say to yourself, I let go and trust you. Release into the pose. Long, deep breathing. Begin to gently release the pose, coming back through lunge, then tabletop. And curl the toes under, push up and back into downward dog. Take a moment to settle here, lengthening your spine, feeling the strength in your body. And say to yourself, you hold all things together. Feel steady, feel calm, and feel present in this moment. You hold all things together. Gently release your downward dog and come over onto your sit bones. And then reclining back, maybe taking some pillows or any props to support the knees as you prepare to come into reclined butterfly pose. Bring the soles of the feet together and opening the knees. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Allow your body to soften completely. And say to yourself, you heal every part of me. You heal every part of me. This is where you're going to release and relax, completely surrender. And as you rest here, closing with this prayer, and stay as long as you wish after the prayer, God, thank you for proving that nothing is impossible for you. There is no sickness you cannot heal, no darkness you cannot drive out. You are above all things, and in you all things are held together. Thank you for who you are and for all you've done. You alone are holy. Amen. Rest, release into Shavasana. Let go and completely surrender.